Great news, everyone. The Autogeek Roadshow class is coming to RUPES in Colorado. The date is September 14th and 15th. 2 full-day training classes with myself, Mike Phillips, and the Global Director of Training, Jason Rose. These classes are intensely hands-on. You're going to have the chance to use the complete collection of RUPES tools, pads, and products, including the new gear-driven Orbital Millet Polisher. If you sign up 30 days before the date of the class, there's going to be a generous store credit, and everybody that attends is going to get a wonderful collection of RUPES products to take home with them. Not only are these classes going to be fun, but they're going to be highly educational as they're completely hands-on. Jason and I are going to be covering all aspects of exterior paint correction and everything related to making a car look beautiful. Plus, it's going to be the best place to learn about everything related to RUPES. Remember the date, September 14th and 15th, and these classes are going to sell out, so sign up early and take advantage of that store credit. For more information, go to Autogeek.com, and I can't wait to see you at the brand new RUPES Training Center in Colorado.